Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make this type of braking animation. This is so easy to make in Blender. So let's get started. First open Blender, select everything to PC and delete. Then Shift A, add a plane, S to skull. Then Shift A, add a cone. S to skull a little bit. Then G, J, up, like this, okay. Right click, shade auto smooth. Then Shift A, add a UV sphere. G, J, up, S to scale a little bit, yeah, right click to shade smooth, then go to tab, edit mode, right click, subdivide, this is okay, then go to edit, preference, then search cell fracture, uh, now enable the setting, cell fracture add-on, go to object, quick effect, cell fracture. This is a source limit, I set it 150, and add a name collection cell. Now okay, okay, now delete the main UV sphere. Now select any piece, go to physics properties, add a rigid body and type active. Select the plane, add a rigid body, type passive, same as the cone. Now select the all pieces, then select these pieces, then go object, rigid body, copy from active. Now if you play the animation, as you can see, this looks so good at breaking animation in Blender. This is so easy to make. If you have to material color it, go to material properties, select the plane, add any color you like, then select any piece, add a color, then select all pieces, then press Ctrl plus L to link material. Then if you play animation now, this looks so good and so cool. This is so easy to make. If you enjoy the tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.